channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepshi. It is lovely to have you here. So for today's video, I'm just gonna take you guys with me for the next couple of days and vlog some things because my mom had a couple vacation days. So she took off Friday and Monday, and we have Saturday and Sunday as well. So we're doing a bunch of like outdoorsy things as a family because we don't get to spend a lot of time together during the work week. So yeah, I figured I would just take you guys along with me. So right now it is 12:22 in the afternoon, and I've been up since like 8 a.m. just like editing because I want to get Monday's video out, but I don't know if I'll have time to edit it during the weekend. So I've just been editing since 8:30, and then I took a shower. And I'm gonna do my skincare now, and let me show you my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this sports bra from Old Navy, and my leggings are Lululemon's, and I did my hair into a little braid. I showed this hairstyle in my last video, and I will link it over there in the iCard for you to check out. But yeah, let's go on this hike. We just got back from the hike, and it's like 5:30 right now, so we got some late lunch, almost like dinner. I got the Mediterranean bowl from Panera, so it has hummus, arugula, lime, cilantro, lime rice, and cherry tomatoes, and it usually comes with feta and olives and Greek yogurt, and I'm vegan, so I can't do feta and Greek yogurt, and I don't like olives. We just got back home and we were chilling for a bit. I'm gonna take my makeup off and shower, and then we're probably gonna make some dinner, go to sleep. Like, we're hella tired. The hike was really nice. The first half we were like right next to a lake, and then the second half was more like high intensity, like cardio. So we had a fun time, and I'm sweaty and I really need to shower. We were supposed to go to the city today, but that didn't happen because the cases are like on a rise, and I think the Boston mayor is like trying to go back to stage 2. We just opened stage 3, and then the cases started to rise, so I think we're trying to go back to stage 2. I'm not really sure. Obviously it's not ideal, so anyway, we just didn't end up going to Boston today, and we're just spending the day at home, and I think we're gonna play some like Monopoly or something, do something fun. But I desperately need to do my eyebrows. They're like super outgrown, so I'm gonna do that, and I think I'm gonna film like a Reels video today too for my Instagram, and if you don't follow me on there, you totally should. My handle is A_Deepshi. You should go do that. Go do that. So we're about to go watch the sunset. It's like 6:30 right now, so I figured I would just show you guys my outfit real quick. So I'm wearing this denim jacket from Old Navy, my bodysuit is from ASOS, and my leggings are also Old Navy, and I'm gonna wear some Superstars to go with them. So let's go watch the sunset. Walking their puppy. Oh my god. It's so cute. It's 1:20 and we just got to Black Duck Cafe. We stopped for some brunch. I got a black bean burger wrapped in a wheat wrap and some tater tots. And we're gonna eat and then probably go on a drive on Route 6A. On Route 6A, and it's like the scenic driveway, and we're just gonna chill in the car because we can't be going out a lot because of the big C. Is this a bad angle? I don't know. Anyway, as you just saw from the last clip, we just got back from the beach. It's called Race Point Beach in Provincetown. Guys, we saw a seal at the beach. It was so cute. He was like, "Ah." It was adorable. I can't. Guys, I literally had one of the most stressful mornings ever, okay? I woke up at like 9 o'clock in order to get my voiceover done and upload today's video, and I messed it up somehow. I don't even know how. But then, like at the end of my video, there was like a long black screen and I didn't realize, and I did everything. I like added my end card, I added my description, I added all of that stuff in, and then when I was about to hit upload, I was about to hit public, I realized that I didn't do it right. So that I had to go back into my editing software and cut that part out and re-upload it, wait for it to process, and I was so stressed out that I wouldn't make it by 12, and it was just like a lot. I didn't even eat breakfast, I didn't have coffee, I didn't do any of that, and it was like the most stressful like 2 hours of my life. Anyway, I got it done, and I got it done in time, so we're gonna relax for the rest of the day. We're going to the beach, and I'm very excited to literally just like chill and read a book maybe. So let's go pick my outfit. always forget my outro, so I just wanted to come on here and say, if you watched till the end of this video, you are a real one. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.